Good morning, people. It's time to move, I think. Been here, the same spot, for about 24 hours. Just needed to get settled in, recover after the long journey and all that. But yeah, I think today I'm going to get a wriggle on. See where we can go. I think the plan is where's my pen? My pointer. So, yeah, so I reckon we're gonna head for here. So I'm gonna go straight across. I've already been all around here. I've been up here. So we'll head down here and then probably go across the top of Italy here. I think Venice is around here somewhere. You lot probably can't even see this. But yeah, and then go out of here and down this coast here. I reckon. I think that's our plan. I don't know if it's the plan, but for now it'll do. But for today, I don't know, let's just click somewhere. I kind of want to go into the Alps somewhere up here and then come through. So let's just head this way. It's a bit wham. Yeah, a great little spot that was. Alright, on we go. First fuel stop in France done. We did 75 euros. I'm not sure if that's good yet or not. It's quite expensive. Card work though, so we're all good. Always found when doing these trips there's some weird like satisfaction about getting a full tank of fuel. It's like comfort. So far we've done about 300 miles. So we're not going to do too many today. I'm not really bothered. I've made that mistake in the past. I don't want to spend every day just driving non-stop. You just miss everything. Obviously you cover a lot of ground, but you don't get to spend any time in the ground. So I reckon actually I might try and find another spot to stop in, have some dinner and stuff. Probably carry on editing this video as I was doing. And maybe do some more driving in a bit, I don't know, see what it's like. Right, next spot is sorted out. Just need to find it on the phone. Now I need to find it on there.
Turn right, then turn right.
Shut up. Okay. It's eaten ham. Good. What's it called? Les Canards Suncourt. There we go, here we go. Les Canards to the blah blah blah. Private company. Yeah? It's a campsite. Oh, well, we'll go have a look, see what's cracking. If it's a campsite, I ain't bloody staying there, obviously. But
Proceed to highlighted route.
it's the right direction, so we'll go have a gander. But it's alright here, but right in the middle of a city. And there's a playground over there, which is a bit odd. It's kind of a weird place to put one of these, but oh, it's kind of not sure about that. Good morning. Right. Heading to the next spot. Saint Gobain. Definitely not how you say it, but that's where we're going. It's only about 30 kilometres from here. Got a new problem. The batteries don't seem to be working properly. It says they're fully charged and within a few minutes then they're done. I need to go have a look, see what's happened. Maybe one of them's exploded or something. So I don't know, maybe I've done it wrong. I feel like they should last longer than what they do. I need to do some driving. Get out. We're in this farm today. Last night. Hey, check it out. Back to travelling mode again. Back to driving in bare feet. Woo! Oh, I hate these junctions. I can't see what I'm doing.
In 3 kilometers.
There you go. Back on the open road. Sancor. That I didn't think about, which I've just discovered about travelling on your own in Europe in an English vehicle. Obviously you can't see shit out that side when you're coming up to like a right hand junction and it peels round a little bit. You're completely blind from what's coming that way. Obviously I didn't notice that before because I've always had a passenger. So what I've had to do for now is sacrifice this mirror and sort of turn it right out. So now it points over there somewhere and I can just about see, but luckily because I've got this screen there, so that is almost now acting as my left mirror. It's almost like when I built the van, I knew at some point I was going to be driving it on my own. Funny that, isn't it? Oh my god. Oh, there better be a spot at the end of this, I swear. But these people are thinking, what the hell is up? Guarantee I get up here and it's just a public car park or something. Yeah, this ain't looking too great if I'm honest. Down there? Are you serious? That ain't right. We'll go have a look.
Arriving at destination.
Oh god. I mean, is that it? It's a bloody graveyard. Oh, kill me. No, that's the wrong thing to say. Well done to me camping out. Drove through all that little village and ended up at a flipping graveyard. Oh, come on. Oh well, could be worse I suppose. I'm not going to stay here. I'll just chill for a little bit and find somewhere else to go. It's so random. I did just check the app to be fair, and it did say cemetery. I just didn't see it. What I've got the app on my phone. Yeah, you just sort of find it on there. find the nearest one, and then I've got all the POIs sort of downloaded onto here. So it's camper contact, and then I just find the name of the one on the phone, because obviously I don't want to rinse my data on maps. Probably could stay here, to be honest, but I don't know how I'd feel about sleeping at a graveyard. Bit weird, isn't it? Little bit weird. Could do with finding a McDonald's now, really. But what I might do, actually, for the first video, I might try and upload it off my phone and just see like how much data it's going to use. If I try and make the video as small as possible on the computer, see like how much it's going to rape it. If it's not too bad, then I can do it, because I say I upgraded my plan. Jesus. I was only on 5 gig before. I upgraded it to 20 gig because I used like a gig in a day just messing around on the phone. So I don't know if it's gonna work, then I can do it that way, and that'll be a lot easier. But if not, I'm gonna have to find a McDonald's and steal their Wi-Fi, which I've done before. It's not a problem. Just go in, buy like a coffee or something, and then just sit there for 3 hours using their internet. People in the graveyard. I know I've getting some weird looks over here, which is fair enough. Number 1, I'm English. Number 2, I look like I'm in an army vehicle. Number 3, I'm in an army vehicle parked in a graveyard. Don't paint your van dark, they said. It'll be warm, they said. Melting a little bit here. It's only because I'm not moving, but I've got a temperature gauge, outdoor temperature, in this pillar. So it's just under the metal. Normally it gets a rough reading, but yeah, 43 degrees. It's definitely not that outside. This is saying 24, so oh well, it looks cool, doesn't it? So we'll live with it. Okay. This does look
Turn left,
tight.
then turn.
Oh! Ooh, ooh, ooh. Shit the bed. Yep, that was sketch. Another one, I think, somewhere. Sat-nav looks interesting. It's a sick little town, isn't it? Oh, look, there it is. Oh, Jesus. Town built in a fort. That's awesome.
In 900 meters, turn left.
That's what I love about this sat-nav. Absolutely no messing about. Just takes you through the hardest possible route it can come up with. That's sick. Got a spot for the night, so that's sorted. I'm just going to nip to, found a McDonald's. It was only a matter of time, wasn't it? And have a bit of Wi-Fi time, but I reckon I'm going to come back here. It's quite nice. Nice little bit. There's a dump thing there, which I'm probably going to use later or tomorrow maybe. I reckon I'm going to have to come back here and shoot sunset, you know? So it's going to be sick. The road was closed back there. It's the only problem is obviously all I have is the sat-nav. And if the road's closed, the sat-nav has a meltdown. It's just keep telling me to do a U-turn. So right now I'm basically winging it through the middle of this city. Try and go out this way and see where we end up, I suppose. Oh well, I'm in no rush. Right, best time of the day. Oh, look at that flare. Dinner time. It is roasting in here. Having two burners going. Got the vent open. And that one. But woo. The old fan going. There we go, dinner for one, served in the saucepan, because that's how I roll these days. Actually there's probably dinner for two in there, but well, you can always save a bit. Sign off this video for today. I'm just going to go back to that spot that I found earlier, sleep there for the night, and then decide what I'm doing tomorrow when tomorrow comes. So, for now, that is sick, and I'm going to sit and watch it until it's gone.